Friends, today I would like to tell you that how nature is beautiful and we destroying it. And now today in this greenery I would like to show you a peacock, and I couldn't explain you in a few words that how much beautiful it is looking here. If you see this video, then you feel, and if you come to here then you will realize how much beautiful the nature is. Wow, it's looking so much beautiful. Wow, wow, I am in this roadside jungle area and it's pure and full with the nature. I'm running behind this peacock and peacock is going very fast. It's running. Oh my god. I think he is going back to his home right now because the sun is going set. He is going to there, and in this side there is a small watery area and full with the trees.